to use Discord thread replies fast. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Then, click on your server at the left side. In the server, click on the channel where you want to use thread. After you've selected the channel in the server, click on the channel's name at the top, which will lead you to this page. In here, you'll find threads. Click on threads, then click on create thread if you don't have one. Then add name to your thread, and after you're done, press on the arrow. After you've done that, as you can see, thread has been created. You can click on see thread in your channel, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can reply if you already have a thread. If not, you can simply message in here in this way. This is how to use Discord thread replies fast. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.